Friends, this is Vikas Global Institutions. Today's physics class is units and measurements. Yesterday, we will discuss what is meant by physical quantity, how many types of physical quantities are there, how they are described. These are the concepts. So, today we will discuss what is meant by dimension, what is meant by dimensional formula, and how to write the dimensional formula are the topics today we will discuss. What is meant by dimension? What is meant by dimension? The appropriate power of the fundamental physical quantity is called dimension. The definition of dimension is the appropriate power of the fundamental physical quantity. The power of the fundamental physical quantity. Physical quantity is called dimension. The appropriate power of the fundamental physical quantity is called dimension. Simply, here L power 0 represents dimension of length is 0. Simply, m power 1 dimension of mass is 1. Similarly, t power minus 2. This implies dimension of time is minus 2. Similarly, k power minus 3. This implies dimension of k is the term represents for temperature is minus 3 Kelvin. Generally, this is the examples for dimension. The appropriate power of the fundamental physical quantity is called the dimension. These all are the fundamental physical quantities. The corresponding powers will be treated as dimensions of the corresponding physical quantities. Here, these are the basic physical quantities. These are the dimensions or degrees. What is meant by dimensional formula? The second one is dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. A formula is constructed with fundamental physical quantities without using algebraic signs. The formula is constructed with fundamental physical quantities without using algebraic signs like plus or minus between the fundamental physical quantities. That formula is said to be dimensional formula. How to write the dimensional formula? Generally, a dimensional formula we construct. This is m power a, L power b, t power c. According to the definition, the formula is constructed with fundamental physical quantities with corresponding powers without using algebraic symbols between them. Between m and l, don't use the plus or minus. Between l and t, don't use the plus or minus. This is the correct nature of the dimensional formula. Here, m power a plus L power b plus t power c. This is not a correct format of a dimensional formula. Dimensional formulas are rayakodadu. Here, m power a minus L power b minus t power c. This is not a correct format of a dimensional formula. Generally, what is meant by dimensional formula? A formula which is constructed with the fundamental physical quantities. What are the fundamental physical quantities? Length, mass, time, quantity of substance, electric current, luminous intensity, and these all are the fundamental physical quantities. Thermodynamic temperature. The seventh one is the thermodynamic temperature. These all are the fundamental physical quantities. A dimensional formula which is construct with the fundamental physical quantities with corresponding dimensions is called the dimensional formula. Generally, this is the format of the dimensional formula. How to write the dimensional formulas for fundamental physical quantity, how to write the dimensional formulas for derived physical quantities. First one, you check it out, fundamental physical quantities. The first one is the length, which is represents with L. What is the dimensional formula of L? The dimensional formula must be constructed with fundamental physical quantities which have a proper dimensions. Here mass is not there, simply m power 0, length is there, that is L power 1, t is not there, it is t power 0, simply like this. This is the dimensional formula of length. This is the format of the dimensional formula. A fundamental physical quantity which has the proper dimensions is called the dimensional formula. And second fundamental physical quantity is mass. Mass, simply it is the m. Here we observe clearly, m is there, it can be written as m power n, L is not there, L power 0, t is not there, t power 0. This is the dimensional formula of mass. Similarly, time, which is represents with capital T, simply mass is not there here, it is m power 0, L is not there here, it is L power 0, t is there, simply t power 1. This is the dimensional formula of time. And fourth one, temperature. Generally, the temperature is represents with a Kelvin. First, the basic physical quantities we mention. For that, the another physical quantity is there which is joined to the basic physical quantities. Here, the basic physical quantities are mass, length, time. In the given temperature, mass is not there, m power 0, length is not there, L power 0, t is not there, t power 0, k is there, it is the k power 1. Therefore, this is the dimensional formula for temperature. అంటే దీన్ని బట్టి మీకు ఏమర్థమైంది, మాస్, లెంగ్త్, టైము అవి లేకపోయినప్పటికీ కూడా మస్ట్గా ఎంఎల్టీని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. ఫర్దర్గా ఏదైనా ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ వచ్చి యాడ్ అయితే దాన్ని ఆ డైమెన్షనల్ ఫార్ములాకి జాయిన్ చేయాలి. అండర్స్టాండ్? డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ స్టూడెంట్స్? రైట్, వి గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్. యా, టెంపరేచర్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ current. The current is represents with capital A, simply amperes. The mass is not there, here m power 0, L is not there, L power 0, T is not there, T power 0, A is there, A power 1. This is the dimensional formula for current. And sixth one is the quantity of substance. Quantity of substance, which is represents with mole. We must mention MLT, here m power 0, L power 0, T power 0, mole power 1. Yeah, this is the dimensional formula for quantity of substance. And the next one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity, which is represents with candela CD. What is the dimensional formula? The mass, length, time are must m power 0, L power 0, T power 0 and CD power 1. These are the dimensional formulas for fundamental physical quantities. Another, we wrote the dimensional formulas for derived physical quantities. Let's write down the students. Next one, dimensional formulas for derived physical quantities. Here, 8th one, area is the derived physical quantity. Area, which is represents with capital A. Generally, for different bodies have different areas. If we take the square, the side of length is L, this one of length is L. L square is the area of the square. And we take the rectangle. Simply, this is the length, this is the breadth. Length into breadth is the formula, area of the formula for rectangle. And similarly, a circle is taken. This one of radius is smaller. Simply, the area of the circle is pi r square. Generally, students, we observe clearly. Generally, constants doesn't show any dimensions. For suppose we take the value of pi. We know the value of pi is 3.14. 3.14 is the constant. The constant doesn't show any dimensions. Simply, the dimensions of constant will be m power 0, L power 0, t power 0. Therefore, the constant doesn't show any dimensions. Only these measurable value shows the dimensions. Here we observe clearly, in the any case, this is length square, length into breadth. Breadth is also in terms of a length. Radius also is measured in centimeters or meters, which is also in length. Simply, it is nothing but L square. What is the dimension formula for area? Therefore, m is not there, m power 0, L is there, L square, t is not there, t power 0. This is the dimensional formula for area. Simply, the one more, volume, which is represents with capital V. The volume of the cube is L cube. This is not a dimensional formula. The dimensional formula in the format of MLT. Here in the concept, the mass is not there. Simply m power 0, L is there, it is L cube, t is not there, t power 0. Therefore, this is the dimensional formula for volume. The next one is density. Density is represented with capital D. What is the formula for density? This is nothing but mass by volume. What is the dimensional formula for mass? Already there, that is m power 0, mass kada, m power 1, L power 0 and t power 0 by dimensional formula for volume is m power 0, L cube, t power 0. Yeah, the m is taken into the numerator, that is m power 1, L is taken into the numerator, that is L power minus 3, t power 0 is there. Yeah, dimensional formula is over, which is closed with the brackets. And 11th one, velocity which is represents with small v. What is the definition for velocity? It is a displacement by time. Students, generally the displacement is measured in length. Displacement here to that point, what is the displacement, which is in centimeters or meters or in kilometers. That's why it is measured in length. Simply displacement in terms of length and time in terms of t. Simply it can be written as ఏమీ లేకపోతే వీటి మీద ఉన్నట్టు t power 1 L power 1 అని తీసుకోవాలి కదా. Therefore, it is nothing but L power 1, t is taken into the numerator, it is t power 1. This is not a dimension formula. The dimension formula must contains basic quantities m, L and t. Here in the dimension formula, mass is not there, m power 0, L is there, L power 1, t is there, t power minus 1. Simply like this. And the next one, acceleration. What is the formula for acceleration? It is nothing but it is the ratio of velocity to time. What is the velocity here? The dimensional formula of velocity is there, m power 0, L power 1, t power minus 1 is there. The time is t power 1. The t power 1 is taken into the numerator, this is the t power minus 1. T power minus 1, t power minus 1 is the t power minus 2. Simply, it is m power 0, L power 1, t power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for acceleration. And one more derived physical quantity, that is nothing but force, which is represents with capital F. It is nothing but what is the definition of force? The general definition is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. It is nothing but mass in terms of capital M. The fundamental definition of force is the rate of change of momentum. Here the formulamatic, we use the formula for MA to find out the dimensional formula. For dimensional formula purpose, which is used to mass into acceleration. The mass in terms of capital M power 1 into acceleration. The dimensional formula of acceleration we know already there, which is calculated from the given data, M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 2. Simply bases are equal, pos can be added. This is M power 1, this is L power 1, this is T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of force. Students, listen. 14th, momentum. Momentum, which is represents with a small p. Here, mass into velocity is represents momentum. The mass in terms of m power 1 and the dimensional formula for velocity is there. That is m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. Simply bases are equal, pos can be added. This is m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for momentum. Next one, pressure. Pressure, which is represents with capital P. It is nothing but stress also. Stress, pressure or stress. The formula for pressure or stress is force per unit area. What is the dimensional formula for force? Already there. That is m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2 by area of cross section. The dimensional formula of area is L square simply. The L is taken into the numerator. This is L power minus 2. L power minus 2 plus 1 is the L power minus 1. Simply m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for pressure or stress. The dimensional formula for strain. Strain is nothing but delta L by L. Simply change in length by original length. Change in length is a length which is represents with capital L. The length is also a length. It is nothing but capital L. Both L will cancel. Therefore, there is no dimension here. That can be written as M0, L0, T0 is the dimensional formula for strain. Generally, strain is a one constant value. The constant doesn't show any dimensions. That's why the strain equal to M0, L0, T0. The next one is angle. Angle. Angle is represents with theta. What is the definition of theta? Which is length of the arc by radius. The length is measured in L. The radius is also measured in length. They will cancel. Here there is no dimension. M0, L0, T0 is the dimensional formula for angle. The next one is angular velocity. Angular velocity, which is represents with omega. The formula for angular velocity is theta by t. What is the dimensional formula for theta? M power 0, L power 0, T power 0 by t is the T power 1, which is taken into the numerator, which is M power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for angular velocity. And one more is angular acceleration, which is represents with alpha. It is not infinity, it is alpha. The definition for angular acceleration is angular velocity by time. The angular velocity already we know, that is m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1 by T power 1. This t is taken into the numerator. Simply m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 2 is the formula for angular acceleration. Dear students, listen. Some more physical quantities are there. They are desired physical quantities. That is the next one. What is meant by work? Work. Yeah, the work is represents in W. The formula is force into displacement, F into S. Force into displacement is the formula for work. We know the dimensional formula for force, that is m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. The displacement in terms of length, which is L power 1. Bases are equal, powers can be added, simply m power 1, L square, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for work. Understand, students? Yeah. The one more thing, power, which is represents with capital P. The definition for power is rate of doing work. It is nothing but work done by time. Here, what is the dimensional formula for work done? That is m power 1, here L square, T power minus 2 by time power 1, which is taken into the numerator. Simply, here m power 1, L square, T power minus 3 is the power of the dimensional formula for power. The one more, energy. Generally, energy is represented with capital E. We have two types of energies. One is the potential energy, which is represented with mgh. One more is the kinetic energy, which is represented with half mv square. Simply, first of all, we want to calculate the dimension formula for potential energy is equal to mgh. We know that m is the mass and g is the acceleration due to gravity and h is the height of the body. M, it is represents with m power 1 physical quantity. G, the acceleration of the body on the earth surface is called the acceleration due to gravity. The dimensions of acceleration as well as relative to the acceleration due to gravity. Here, g equal to the acceleration, dimensions of acceleration is nothing but dimensions of acceleration due to gravity. The dimensional formula for acceleration is m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 2. Similarly, it is the height in terms of length, which is nothing but L power 1. Simply, m power 1, this is L square, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for potential energy. The one more, the kinetic energy is there na. What is the formula for kinetic energy? It is half mv square. Simply, half, it is the constant. Constants doesn't show any dimensions. The dimensional formula for constant is m power 0, L power 0, T power 0. But leave it. The mass is there. Yeah, here it is m power 1. And velocity is there. The dimensional formula for velocity is m power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1, totally whole square, v square kadandi. Simply, it is nothing but m power 1 and L square and T power minus 2. Therefore, this is the dimensional formula for kinetic energy. One more is torque. Torque is represents with tau. The formula for torque is force into perpendicular distance. It is nothing but distance. What is the dimensional formula for force? That is m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. It is the perpendicular distance is a length, which is L power 1. Simply, it can be written as m power 1, L square, T power minus 2. Students, please listen. Do you understand all the dimensional formulas? Yeah, I will explain one concept here. Observe. We observe work done. The dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 2. We observe energy. The potential energy dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 2. Here we observe the kinetic energy dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 2. Once again we observe the torque dimensional formula is ml square T power minus 2. We observe all the four physical quantities shows the same dimensions. Which physical quantities shows the same dimensions? Yeah, work, energy, potential energy, kinetic energy and torque. these are the 4 physical quantities. They are in derived physical quantities. They shows the same dimensions. They shows the same dimensions. Dear students, do you understand? Yeah, understand the concept? Yeah, once again I will repeat the how to write the dimensional formula. Generally, the dimensional formula is mentioned in MLT. The one more physical parameter will be added, that is joined to the MLT simply. Therefore, each and every physical parameter, like each and every physical quantity have a proper dimension which is 0 or greater than 0 or less than 0 sometimes. Therefore, those are the types of physical quantities here. Here, how to write the physical quantity. Therefore, this is the formula to construct with the fundamental physical quantities, MLT. The construction of MLT is the dimensional formula. The proper powers of the concerned dimensions, concerned physical quantities or dimensions. What are the dimensions of these physical quantities? The dimension of mass is 1, the dimension of length is 1, the dimension of time is -1. These are the constructions of different physical quantities. We how to write the dimension formula. These are the formulas we know. From the formulas we derive the derived physical quantities. For those derived physical quantities we construct the dimensional formulas. These are the following dimensional formulas for the given derived physical quantities like this, right? Students, please listen. It is very most important concept. Very most important concept. Generally, sum of the constants doesn't show any dimensions. Sum of the constants doesn't show any dimensions. But sometimes the constants also shows dimensions. Sometimes constants also shows dimensions. Which constants shows the dimension formulas? I will explain clearly. Students, I remember, I forget one more thing. What is the dimension formula here? The dimensional formula of frequency, which is represents within you. The frequency is nothing but reciprocal of the time period. Yeah, which is nothing but 1 by t. It can be written as mass is not there na, m power 0, length is not there na, l power 0, t is taken into the numerator, it is t power -1. Therefore, this is the dimensional formula for frequency. Yeah, I will explain the sum of the constant shows dimensions. Sum of constants shows dimensions. They are first one, universal gravitational constant, capital G, and second one is specific heat capacity, S. Third one, Planck's constant, small h. Fourth one, coefficient of viscosity, eta. Dear students, please listen. These are the 4 constants shows dimensions. Generally, the constant dimension of constant is m power 0, l power 0, t power 0. Sometimes that type of rule is not possible. Some universal constants are there or some constants are there. Those constants shows dimensions. That one is a universal gravitational constant, and second one is the specific heat capacity, and third one is the Planck's constant, and the fourth one is the coefficient of viscosity. How to find the dimension formulas for these 4 constants? ఇక్కడ మీరు క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నానా, జనరల్గా మనం ఏం చెప్తామంటే కాన్స్టెంట్స్కి డైమెన్షన్స్ ఉండవు అని చెప్తాం. అదేంటి సార్ మరి కాన్స్టెంట్స్కి డైమెన్షన్స్ లేనప్పుడు మరి సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్ షోస్ డైమెన్షన్స్ అంటున్నారు ఏంటి సార్? మరి ఆ కాన్స్టెంట్స్కి డైమెన్షన్ ఫార్ములాస్ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అసలు డైమెన్షన్స్ ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తాయా రావా? అసలు వస్తే ఏంటి, రాకపోతే పరిస్థితి ఏంటి అనే దాని గురించి ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం బ్రీఫ్గా. ఓకేనా? యా, చూడండి నాన్న. ఫస్ట్ వన్ యూనివర్సల్ gravitational constant. Yeah, here we observe clearly. We take the planetary system. Sun is a focus. All the planets revolve around the sun. Sun have some mass, Earth have some mass. Between these two masses, some force of attraction will be there. Due to attraction, those planets are revolve around the sun. According to that statement, we understand between the any two massive bodies, some attraction will be there. Therefore, that attraction is the attractive force. A small example I will explain. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్స్ బైసికల్ మీద ఇలా పక్క పక్కన మీరు దాన్ని బైసికలింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంటే మీకు తెలియకుండానే మీ ఇద్దరు కలిసి ఇలా దగ్గరకు వచ్చేస్తుంటారు. అంటే బిట్వీన్ ద టూ మాసివ్ బాడీస్ సమ్ అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫోర్స్ విల్ బి దేర్. డ్యూ టు దట్ అట్రాక్టివ్ ఫోర్స్ we are move close together. Here also this is applicable to the planetary system. Let us consider a planet of mass m. Let us consider one more planet. This is m1, this is m2. Their centers are separated by distances smaller. Here between these two planets the force of attraction is there, that is F. The force of attraction is directly proportional to product of their masses, and the force of attraction is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Therefore, F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. Simply the force F equal to some proportionality constant is there na, that is the universal gravitational constant G, that is m1 m2 by r square. Simply we want to calculate the value of G. G equal to Fr square by m1 m2. For here F r square by m1 m2. First of all, you check it out. What is the dimensional formula for force? The dimensional formula for force is m power 1 L power 1 T power minus 2. The dimensional formula for r square. R is the distance. Distance in terms of length. R square means L square. Here my m1 comma m2 are the masses. Simply this is the mass in fundamental quantity m power 1. This is also mass in fundamental quantity m power 1. Bases are equal, powers can be added. This is m square, which is taken into the numerator, m power minus 2 m power plus 1, that is m power minus 1. M power minus 1, and bases are equal, powers can be added, L power 1 and L square, it is nothing but L cube. Simply this is the T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for universal gravitational constant. Dear students, please observe clearly. We wrote the so many dimensional formulas, up to 20 to 23 dimensional formulas we can explain. In each and every dimensional formula, the mass shows, the dimension of mass shows either 0 or 1 or greater than 1. But here in this dimensional formula, the dimension of mass is less than 0, like m power minus 1. The special character for the universal gravitational constant, that is negative dimension in mass. Negative dimension in mass. This is a special characteristic for the universal gravitational constant. That special characteristic is negative dimension in mass. Negative dimension in mass. Yeah. The second one is specific heat capacity. Dear students, listen. In 10th class, the amount of heat energy absorbed or rejected is equal to m s delta T, where Q is the energy, m is the mass, delta T is the temperature difference. We want to calculate the value of S. S equal to Q by m into delta T. What is the Q here? Q is the energy. What is the dimensional formula for energy? M power 1 L square T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for energy, and here mass is there, it is nothing but m power 1 delta T, temperature difference. Temperature difference is represented in Kelvin. Simply it is K power 1. This m is taken into the numerator, m power minus 1 m power plus 1 is m power 0. Simply it is nothing but m power 0 L square T power minus 2 K power minus 1 is the dimensional formula for specific heat capacity. Third one is the Planck's constant. Yeah, we know energy, the quantum energy of the quantum packet is equal to h nu. Simply we want to calculate the Planck's constant h. It is nothing but E by nu. Okay, here E is the energy, nu is the frequency. Yeah, what is the dimensional formula of energy? M power 1
L square T power minus 2 by the dimensional formula for frequency is m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1. This T power minus 1 is taken into the numerator. Simply here m power 1, L square, T power minus 1. This minus 1 is taken into the numerator is plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 is the minus 1. Simply this is the dimensional formula for Planck's constant. And the fourth one is the coefficient of viscosity. The formula for coefficient of viscosity F equal to 6 pi eta r v. Here F is the force, 6 pi is constant. 6 pi is constant. Eta, we want to calculate the value of eta. R is radius and V is the velocity. Simply we want to calculate the value of eta. Eta equal to force by 6 pi is the constant. We can't include it in the given formula, and R and V are there. Here force, the dimensional formula of force is m power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2. By the dimensional formula of radius is L, velocity in terms of Lt power minus 1. Simply bases are equal, pos can be added, L bases are equal, pos can be added. This is L square is taken into the numerator, that is L power minus 2, L power minus 2 plus 1 is the L power minus 1. Simply this is m power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 1 is the dimension formula for the coefficient of viscosity. This is the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity or coefficient of kinetic viscosity. Both are the possible here. Okay. This is today's class, how to write the dimensional formulas for constant. Tomorrow I